Something that really exists in skiing and snowboarding and exists in surfing, where you have these unique weather conditions and you need to go out when it's good. We thought that was pretty cool to bring that into a mountain bike film and just create that feeling of urgency. The concept originated when Adam in Strength in Numbers said that he wished that dirt would fall from the sky like snow does and you could shape the whole landscape.
My dream is that dirt would fall like snow does, and we could just sculpt everything.
That just turned into a pretty cool idea for another unReal segment in the movie.
So this is fake movie snow.
It was critical to make the dirt scene look believable. We looked at different kinds of dirt and different kinds of movie snow. Eventually we settled on the peat moss for coating the landscape.
We were using everyday kind of leaf blowers that we've converted into dirt blowers, and then we're just kind of working our way up and down the trail, setting, you know, depending on the shot, a couple inches or an inch of moss kind of down, and then we'll bring in the rain, snow dirt rain.
And really, it does look, you know, amazingly realistic, I think, with the snow falling from the sky and the trail having a fresh coat of dirt on it. So yeah, it's been super fun, actually. Challenging in its own ways, but it's fun to ride through fresh trails all the time.
Once we had the first shoot in the bag, we realized how time consuming this is going to be. And every single shoot we did was very tedious. It was long hours that went into setting the scene before we were even able to start shooting. And filming just normally can be a really time-consuming process. So when you spend hours dressing the scene beforehand, it just takes it to the next level.
If you take the time to set up and really make sure that's the shot you want, then there's no shots that aren't going to be unused in the segment. So it's a little tiring to wait around so long, but in the end, each day we were stoked.
And we still got a couple cool sessions in, particularly on that scrub air we did on Crank It Up. That was a really fun session.
Yeah, sweet.
So that's cool. Like, you'll be knifing through.
Yeah, that's what I'll do. Or we're seeing who could get the lowest and blow through the powder. Scrubbing so hard. Like if we were to take the dirt away on that jump, you wouldn't do it like that.
Yeah, I'm stoked. I mean, it's pretty cool to experience something new when you've been doing a sport for quite a while and you never really even consider it something that's going to happen. To go from one day riding your bike regular in the bike park and then all of a sudden you have a completely new experience was pretty rad.
I think people are going to be really pumped on how it looks, because it definitely looks a lot like it's snow and dirt.
When you wake up and you see it's a pow day, you're instantly rushing to get out there, and we tried to capture that. If that were to happen in the bike world, if it did snow dirt, I think people would be out there to shred it right away. So we were rushed to get out there and shred.